Let's skip all the pleasantries. You know what time it is when you see me. I'm going to provide some value for you. We're going to speak about precious metals. This, ladies and gentlemen, is silver. I like to call this chart, they counted us out while we were counting down. Silver is currently at $93. I know some of you think I'm just jumping on a trend. I spoke about gold here in September. I spoke about gold here in October. I spoke about gold again. I spoke about gold on the 23rd of September 2024. And I bought gold when it was around $1,700. And I bought gold just before the breakout. I waited for silver right over here, ladies and gentlemen, and I went all in. Since then, it's gone up by 2x. By 2x. A lot of Bitcoin maxis and crypto maxis are showing a lot of hate towards silver. Silver has had a epic run, a massive run, just as gold has had a massive run. In 1971 all the way till March 74, it went up a massive 4x and then went sideways again. It done the same thing again and went up a further 10x until 1981. If we look forward to 2002 all the way till 2011, it went up a massive 10x. Gold, the exact same thing. This is the yearly, ladies and gentlemen, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We had 11 years of a bull market. Silver, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years of a bull market. As of now, silver has just broken out. Now, I don't know where the top is. I'm not gonna lie to you because most of you are not stupid. You're clever individuals. You're not stupid, but you follow the momentum. The momentum is on your side. A lot of folks are gonna chat shit on the timeline and constantly keep saying that the top is in, the top is in, the top is in. I know for a motherfucking fact, we're right over here, ladies and gentlemen. We're at year 3. We're at year 3 of a 10-year bull market. Gold and silver are outperforming the S&P 500 right over here, ladies and gentlemen. Right over here, outperforming the S&P 500. Now, we spoke about this before. We did say that this is an inverse head and shoulders. Silver divided by the S&P 500, we formed an inverse head and shoulders, as you can see right over here, and we're heading up to the higher ranges. Platinum, all-time new highs. Copper, all-time new highs. Uranium, all-time new highs. Welcome to the real motherfucking super cycle. Everything else is everything else. This is the S&P 500. And like we said a couple of weeks back, right over here, I said that the market has peaked. The S&P is over. And I think we're doing the same thing that we've done right over here, ladies and gentlemen. In the start of January, we went down. On the 29th of January, we're going to see a massive red candle followed by another red candle. I believe that the S&P 500 is going to make a correction while gold and silver and precious metals continue on in their super cycle. During the recession, gold went down, so did everything else. During that time, it went down 50% during 1974 to 1976. And again, we had a recession during this period, the massive GFC event right over here, and it only went down a mere 31% and continued to go up higher. Tech stocks had a lost decade. The S&P 500 during that time went sideways to down. Likewise, silver during 1973 all the way to 1976 just pretty much went sideways. It actually outperformed gold. Likewise, during the great financial crisis, silver went down 60% during that year. It outperformed everything and continued to make new all-time highs in the following years. The best performing asset during a recession is gold, silver, and precious metals. More and more sellers will see this chart. This is silver divided by SPX, and currently it's outperformed stocks by a whopping 183%. But that's not the kicker. If you held the S&P 500 since 2017, well, you just wasted your time. If silver continues to go up higher, well, ladies and gentlemen, it's completely outperformed stocks since 1987. You just wasted your fucking time. You took on more risk for less reward. This is gold divided by the S&P 500. Like we said previously, we're heading right over here. It would have outperformed stocks since 2011. You're basically at the same level you was since 1991.